Geely started in the late 1990s when Chinese cars were known more for affordability than trust. Back then, survival mattered more than five-star ratings, but growth forces changes and responsibility. As Geely expanded, it didn't just grow bigger, it grew wider and deeper. From local manufacturing to global engineering, from learning to leading. Today, Geely isn't one brand, it's a group. Geely Auto is the foundation. Lincoln Co., a baby who born global. Zeekr is where performance meets intelligence. Polyester equals minimalism and precision. Lotus became a synonym of lightweight, legendary, reborn child. Volvo cars equals safety, redefined over decades. Different brands, different markets, but one shared baseline: safety.
Today I'm in Ningbo at the opening of Geely's Safety Center. This building I am in isn't just about crash tests or data. It is about how a Chinese car company called Geely grew up and why safety became non-negotiable. When you operate at this scale, safety cannot be outsourced to the third party. It has to be engineered, tested, broken, rebuilt, complete, until the car is totally safe. In the real world, the crash angles are unpredictable. According to Geely's own research, only about 60% of real-world crash scenarios are actually covered by the existing regulation in the market. That means nearly 40% of the real accidents are happening outside of today's testing. And this is the gap which current center is built to close by this kind of test, where they do 180-degree crash tests to make sure that every angle of the car is covered by the safety. Geely has built an industry-leading digital security laboratory inside this very center. It covers 6 major test areas across 12 testing dimensions with over 200 real digital risk scenarios. Inside this control space, Geely can recreate 5 major nature environments. First of all, rain, from the light drizzle to a heavy storm. Second, snow, from moderate snowfall to crazy blizzards. Third, fog, from mist to dense fog. Glare, with adjustable illumination, and even the lightning with the controllable frequency. This is all about ADAS and how it will react in different scenarios. And this is why people choose Geely. One number really caught my eye. The crash test acceleration track where I'm standing right now, this one, it is 293.39 meters long, almost 300 meters. It is the longest acceleration track in the world. It allows testing at over 120 kilometers per hour with up to 0.8 G acceleration. It is designed to find the failure before the car gets into real world and that failure happens. Passing the test is one thing. Designing the car for chaos of the real world, that's something else. And this is where Geely's thinking has clearly shifted from meeting the standards to simulating the reality. So this isn't just a building in Ningbo. It's a signal that Chinese automotive is no longer catching up. It's setting its own standards. I'm Nick, and this is why the Geely Safety Center matters.